Members of the Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun had met the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority Minister SNIAWBHALANG to request him for an immediate inspection and action on the common biomedical waste treatment and disposal facility at MARTEN in Mawlai Nongkwar. Speaking after the meeting, the president of the Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun, BIAM, informed that though the meeting with the concerned minister cannot be termed as successful, yet an assurance has been given to the Seng Samla that an inspection of the waste disposal facility at MARTEN would take place in the coming week. While referring to the Biomedical Waste Act of 2006, the president of the Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun further informed that the setting up of the disposal facility at MARTEN by the state government is a violation of the act that states that a distance of 500 meters from a residential area has to be maintained for the construction of such a facility.
Kejengikan hi hagan jambi ke pemerintah buat minister in charge kalau ba ngindem patlah buat kalau bersiso nomor kini kalau penting isu jongka jong Samla Mawlai ke balas lembang ke bagi nang berim kini Shillong kini sebalang fair like such dong. Then this time they hello kejeng jeng nam yang jeng ipat ba they hello kejeng yo kejeng mi extra yang jeng tiga biomedical waste kepala le lihat ketum ga jingat lai jaga biomedical waste am jakan rib jadi kalau kena rim bagi pak ki tuat ga jumlah jeng man thi tingiwan bani kenduk matan ni bat kalian minister hoi wan ngoi fi kal kampat long ga successful kena jeng kenduk jeng te henry ulah ka asuran ba pada setangkat tu kat ni sini setang hapuk je tu kat ni tayohi kan sedang ke asuran ke bau ai ni kalau ba ulah dok ai ba. The
Minister of the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority and also in charge of the Municipal Corporation, SNIAWBHALANG, briefed the media on the meeting and stated that as requested by the Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun and the residents of Mawlai Nongkwar, a site inspection of the biomedical waste treatment plant and disposal facility located at MARTEN in Mawlai Nongkwar locality would take place soon and that the process of acquiring new land for the facility is also underway.
Like this, the president of the Mawlai Pyllun and along with their members, they made me. They used to make me from time to time about the small town Mawlai, and they request me, number one, what can I do to find the new landfill at the earliest, if possible, from the government side. So in regard to that, I only give them the reply. I told them yes, now the government is on the process of identifying the new landfill. And yes, there was around 4, 5, 6 applications submitted. What the advertisement right from the previous minister, and we are full swing on that job for the identification of the new landfill. That is number one. I informed them, and number two, they want to come along with me for the joint inspection with my officer. That is something they want to discuss in the present moment. Myself and my officer. I would request some of it seems that some part of the new machineries are there, not up to the mark as per they inform me. So, in the letter this I already informed them, I already promised them also. Maybe next week, sometime within 15 days, I'll go for inspection, I'll inform them. That is the allegation.